A bright little haven in the pocket of Koramangala. Narbonne House is located ideally for you to reach work on time every day, with Beehive and Insta Office just around the corner. Accessibility to Nexus Mall makes shopping super easy, and you can also enjoy the crawl street. To get into this house, you need to pass through various levels of our multi-tier security system. The reception is a cozy space made for the perfect wait out for friends. Relax on the sofa or find yourself playing carom. Maybe you won't be heading out after all. Head down the corridor or walk up the stairs, and you will find water stations everywhere for your convenience. Let's check out the bedroom. This will be a personal space, and while you may want to spruce it up, we have given everything you will need. A comfortable bed, your very own study desk, and a spacious cupboard. All rooms have attached bathrooms which are kept clean and tidy and come with a 24/7 hot water supply. Now upstairs on the terrace is our dining area. You can chill here and watch some TV or simply make use of our high-speed internet available across the residence. Meals cooked in our FSSAI certified kitchens are part and parcel of your stay with us. Enjoy good food and great conversations right here. There is a well-equipped pantry for your personal snacking as well. Well, are you ready for good times to begin? Take the leap and become a Stanza. Narbonne House is awaiting your arrival.